video is going to be on the low profile inline splice connection kit, the JHS-GET. Now this kit, you are able to splice 2 cables together or 3. It's completely up to you. Yeah, it's capable of doing 3. I'm going to show 2 for this video. As you can see, I've got my grommet on there already. Before I started cleaning that cable up, stripping the cable. I stripped the cable, of course, before. Now I'm just shortening the excess cable that I don't need, the excess wires, and install it. I mean, it's a nice, easy kit. What I like about these kits is that they are, there's no heat gun needed in the field, nor any silicone or anything like that to make a seal. Just a dry kit. These are awesome. I love them. So you just work your wires, your bus wires in there one way on one side. And then you do it on the other side as well. And you're able to obviously take the screws out and the clamp if you choose to, if it's easier for you, just like I did there, and put it back in. And then just rinse and repeat and do it on the other side. Shorten the excess. Put it under the clamp and cinch it down with the screw. Nice and easy. These red rubber grommets on the end, they're a little difficult to get on, but they're worth it in the end. With them being so tight, they're the reason we don't need any silicone or RTV for moisture purposes, to keep the moisture out. Yeah, so after you tighten that up, go ahead and put your seal on, your cap on. And just imagine doing this in the field, guys. It's going to be a lot easier than not only having to strip your cable, but you're not having to use a heat gun or a torch on some heat cable to shrink it on. It's more practical out in the field from what I've seen. Got a lot of positive feedback on it. And you just tighten that one side down and you switch, and there you are. Both sides are tight. You got a nice sealed splice kit in line.